Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to set up recurring investments in Bright. Automating your investment is a smart way to build wealth consistently. With Bright, setting up recurring investment takes just a few taps, and here's how to do it. First, open the Bright app and go to the invest section. Then select the stock, ETF or portfolio that you want to invest in regularly. Next, tap the invest button and then choose set recurring from the investment option. Now choose your investment frequency. You can opt for weekly, bi-weekly or monthly investments. Enter the amount that you'd like to invest each time. Bright will show you an estimated projection of your return based on your settings. Select your payment method, which can be linked Bright's balance or a connected bank account. Review the details and then tap confirm to activate your recurring investments. You can edit or cancel this plan anytime under the Scheduled Investments tab. Setting up recurring investment ensures that you're growing your portfolio without having to think about it every time. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe for more quick and easy Bright tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.